If done right, flipping is the best way to generate large sums of cash in a short period of time. In my opinion, there isn't a faster or better way to make a consistent 6 and even 7-figure income than flipping residential real estate. But you have to know how to do it right, and unfortunately, most don't. In fact, only 1% of house flippers actually make a 6-figure income or higher, and the ones that do are usually working way too hard to do it. On this video, I'm gonna share with you the 14 deadly mistakes to avoid and what not to do when flipping real estate. It's Jerry Norton, and when I first got started flipping houses 15 years ago, I struggled in the beginning. I knew flipping was the best way to generate short-term cash, but the information that was available and is still prevalent today was outdated and didn't work. As a result, my income was inconsistent. It was like a roller coaster. I would make money on a deal, and then I'd make a lot of costly mistakes, and I'd lose a lot of money almost as quickly as I made it, or I'd go long stretches of time with no deals. It just wasn't sustainable. I became so frustrated and discouraged that I almost quit and turned my back on real estate forever. And that's when I met my mentor and everything changed. On this video, I'm gonna show you 14 deadly mistakes that were killing my business and how you can avoid them. But first, if we've never met, I'm Jerry Norton, and this channel is dedicated to helping you make money right now in real estate. Not later, not in 10 or 20 years, or even 3 to 5 years, but right now so that you can achieve true financial freedom and live your dream life. Consider subscribing to my channel and click the bell icon to get notified when new videos are released. When I finally got a mentor to help me, he saw what I was doing and instantly knew what my problem was. He taught me that every great business requires automation and delegation. He taught me how to develop and create processes and procedures that produced consistent results. Most importantly, he taught me to focus my efforts on strategic activities and not tactical activities. In other words, to work on my business and not in my business. You see, the problem was that I wasn't treating it like a business. My mentor helped me have a complete mindset shift, and here's what it was. Instead of focusing on doing a deal, focus on building a business that does deals. I've since learned that I was victim to what I call the 14 deadly mistakes that flippers make. These 14 mistakes are the reason that 99% of flippers don't make 6 figures flipping houses. Number 1, they follow old, dated, incomplete information that doesn't work in today's economy. Number 2, they don't know how to consistently find motivated seller leads. Number 3, they don't know how to properly analyze deals or follow a proven buy formula. Number 4, they only make offers on highly probable deals and have a very low offer to deal ratio. Number 5, they don't have a process for finding, analyzing, and offering on deals. Number 6, they don't know how or where to find cash buyers to wholesale deals to. Number 7, they don't know how to structure no funding wholesale deals or how to overcome a no assignment clause. Watch this video. Number 8, they don't know how to get 100% funding on fix and flip deals using none of their own money. Number 9, they personally do the fix-up work or manage subcontractors directly. Number 10, they mismanage and hire the wrong contractors. Number 11, they over-renovate and lose money or under-renovate and leave money on the table. Number 12, they overpay and hire the wrong real estate agents to sell their properties. Number 13, they don't know how to negotiate or incentivize buyers. And number 14, they don't have a proven and sustainable process for each area of the business. In other words, they don't treat it like a business, and just like 99% of flippers, I was making all of those deadly mistakes. Once I adapted the mindset to treat it like a business, and with the help of my mentor, I worked relentlessly for the next 5 years perfecting the house flipping business model. It didn't happen overnight, but I started doing high profit deals consistently every single month. I started doing deals virtually or remotely all over the country, and I started making more money while working less. And during all of that time, and after doing hundreds of deals, I've developed a system that is repeatable and sustainable for consistently doing high profit deals and earning a 6 and even 7-figure income. And right now, I'm looking for 10 highly ambitious individuals who want to work with me exclusively for the next 12 months to build your very own 6 and 7-figure house flipping business. I call it Fast Track, and it is by application and interview only. So if that sounds exciting to you, click the link in the description to apply. And remember, it's not about the money, it's about having the time and freedom to have, be, do, and give everything you want in life. That's what this is all about, and I'll see you on the next video.